FILTROX have been experts in spirits filtration for nearly a century. Distillers have high objectives with regards to the quality of spirit produced and the removal of haze. As such, filtration prior to bottling is vital to ensure long shelf life, stability and minimal turbidity. To this end, the removal of hazes and precursors to haze formation is of particular importance. Depth filtration has been used for decades in spirits filtration and is the proven technology of choice. This is particularly the case for the removal of barrel char and fatty ester reduction. The depth filter achieves its performance by virtue of its depth structure, which offers a tortuous route for the spirit to pass through. This, combined with specially selected filter aid powders for the spirits industry, incorporated into the depth filter media, ensure high particulate retention and long filtration life. The FILTROX FiberFix XS range of filter media has been specifically designed for the spirits industry to absorb the fatty esters and chemical hazes, as well as having low metal ion extractables. This media can be used in all FILTROX Novox filter presses and DiskStar module systems. Activated carbon has long been used for the removal of organic impurities, such as color, taste and odor, in niche applications, such as blended white spirits, like tequila and white rum. The FILTROX range of immobilized activated carbon media is the efficient solution, instead of the use of loose carbon powder. For all your filtration needs in the spirits industry, go with the proven FILTROX Group technologies.